Okay, so today we will discuss about occupational health. Okay. This question comes in exam in two ways. What is industrial health and what is occupational health? Okay, both are same. When we discuss about the health issues related to our occupation, then it is known as occupational or industrial health. Okay. So occupational or industrial health deal with all aspects of health and safety at workplace. Okay, because safety is very essential in workplace, and sometimes long term disorders may also arise from occupation. Okay, that is so to improve that comes under occupational health, and it is a branch of community health, okay, or public health, you can say. So in industrial health, we focus strongly on primary prevention of any occupational hazards or risk for health, and we try to prevent the occupational diseases and well-being of the industrial workers working in our area. Okay, so it is clear from this slide that it is a branch of public health or community health. Okay, even school health, that is also a part of community because it comes under our community. Okay, so any industrial establishment which comes under our area, working area in the community, we have to look after for that community also, okay, who are working in the industries or any occupation, even for farmers also, because that is also an occupation. Okay. The health of workers has several determinants, including risk factor at workplace leading to cancer, accidents, musculoskeletal disorders, respiratory diseases, hearing loss, circulatory diseases, stress related disorders, and communicable disease, and even many more. So they are at risk for these disorders. What is occupational health nursing? When we come to for at the nursing field, then occupational health nursing is also a branch of community health nursing. Occupational health nursing is a field within the nursing discipline that involve developing the business or industrial health and safety program, or observing workers who have been injured during the job activities. Okay. So to provide better care, nursing care to these workers is known as industrial health nursing or occupational health nursing. Now we come to the what are the occupational hazards which have impact on the health of industrial workers. So the activities which can create any disease are known as industrial health hazards. These diseases may be long term or short term. The industrial health hazards may be classified as physical hazards, chemical hazards, biological hazards, mechanical hazards, and psychological hazards. Okay, so we classify the industrial hazard into these groups. So what are these? We can discuss them one by one. First one is physical hazard. Okay, so physical hazard include heat and cold. Sometimes workers are working at very high temperature in the factories, and sometimes at very low temperature, like they are working in the Leh Ladakh or Siachen. They are also workers. Okay, our soldiers. There are certain industries which have direct effect of heat or cold on the workers. Apart from the temperature, even high light, noise, vibration of the machines, and even radiation, these all are physical hazards which have effect on the health of industrial workers. Okay, so under physical hazards, we list all these: heat, cold, noise, light, vibration, and radiation. Okay, like this, you must have seen workers working on this machine. There are continuous vibration, and they may affect the musculoskeletal system of the worker. Then chemical hazards. There are some industries which use some chemicals for manufacturing of their products. These chemicals may lead to many disorders by local action or even systemic action on the whole body, such as dust, metal, their compound, and sometimes due to ingestion of these chemicals or inhalation of the chemicals or their smoke. So they affect locally on the skin, and even when they are ingested or inhaled, they also affect the whole body. Then we come to biological hazards. Biological hazards include where there are some industries where animals are used, okay, like animal husbandry, even farming, poultry farm. So working in this area, there are some biological agents like some virus or bacteria from these animals they can affect. Okay. So there are many disorders which can lead to some even communicable disease to the workers who are working with these farms. Then mechanical hazards. Mechanical hazards, as we have already discussed, like machine moving part of the machine, our body part may come in contact with that, and there may be cut or wound while working in the factories. Okay. So mechanical hazard is the main health hazard in the industry where machines are used to manufacture the products. Sharp part of the machines or moving part of the machine pose health hazard to the workers for injuries and accidents. Okay. Even falling of the heavy object in these factories on the worker is also a mechanical hazard. Then psychological hazard. This psychological hazard may cause anxiety, stress, and even depression for the workers. Some in almost all the areas, even in our area as sector, there are chances of stress at the workplace, which may cause health hazard, mental issues to the staff. Okay. So this is also a type of hazard on industrial workers. This hazard may lead to maybe due to lack of job satisfaction, environmental frustration, security of poor women, emotional tension, and any problem which may lead to psychological and behavioral changes. These changes may lead to hostility, aggressiveness, anxiety, depression, and even drug addiction. Okay. So these are known as psychological hazard of industries. So we have already discussed two type of questions which may come in the exam. Number one, what is the occupational or industrial health? Second is, what are the health hazards to the workers who are working in the industries? Now there may be a question that list down the disorders found in the industrial workers. So what are the disorders? There are many diseases, such as there are certain diseases due to physical agents like heat exhaustion, heat cramps, even burns, frostbite, occupational cataract, occupational deafness, injuries, and accidents. Okay. So these are the disorders which are due to physical agent. Then there are some disorders due to psychological problem. We have already discussed industrial neurosis, which is a minor mental disorder, hypertension, and anxiety disorder. Okay. These are due to psychological hazards. Then there are some diseases due to chemical agents like gas poisoning, pneumoconiosis, lead poisoning, mercury poisoning, cadmium poisoning, alkalosis, and acidosis. Okay. So these are the diseases, you can list them. And the disorders due to biological agents such as brucellosis, when the workers are working in the dairy farm, etc., leptospirosis, tetanus, and fungal infection. Okay. So these are the disorders. So in next class we will discuss about how to prevent these disorders. Okay, thank you. इसका नोट्स में आप